Excel has simple text functions to clean up words. The trim function removes extra spaces at the start and end. If A2 says space Excel rocks, then equals trim A2 removes the extra spaces at the start. The proper function capitalizes each word. If A3 says John Smith in all lowercase, equals proper A3 capitalizes the J in John and the S in Smith. The upper function makes everything uppercase. If A4 says hello world in all lowercase, equals upper A4 returns hello world in all uppercase. The lower function does the opposite. If A5 says hello world in all uppercase, equals lower A5 returns hello world in all lowercase. These four functions are quick ways to clean and standardize text in Excel.